Hey everyone, it's me, Bakisa, and welcome back to the channel. Holiday shopping is in full swing, and I found some amazing gift ideas, whether you're shopping for family, friends, or treating yourself, and I emphasize self. These are some nice, cozy, I guess those are house shoes, and some of the things I'll try to flip them over so that you can see the prices on them. And these, I believe you can use them to put your Bibles in or what have you, and I think they're really cute. And I love planners. I'm obsessed. I actually have an Instagram channel for that, which is unpublished. But I saw these cute planners. I'm so obsessed with them. The covers sell me all the time. And I also have planners that I make that I have on Amazon. Shameless plug. But yeah, so I thought this one would be cute right here for a young lady. The highlighters are, they look like little, what is that, nail polishes, which I thought was so cute. And all these things, by the way, is at Burlington, in case you didn't realize. So I featured this in a previous video. I did get this two-piece pajama set from Amazon. It is so soft, so stretchy. It is true to size. I did get a medium, and I am going to go back and get them in some other colors, and it has pockets. So this jacket, I'm obsessed with sequins. I didn't get it, but I might. And look at all the fun little stocking stuffers that you can pick up. See, they are heavy on the Grinch theme. So make sure you stop at your local Burlington. Not sponsored yet. So cute. And this is, I don't know, it looks like a shopping bag, but it's probably a flower vase. This Barbie, I guess like faux Stanley cup was so cute. But then you can't put that in a dishwasher, I don't think. Those little studs will come off. I think it was supposed to be a lemonade set, but when I looked inside, some of the lemonade things were all broken up on the inside, so I put it back. But I still might go back and get it just because it's cute. And for your bakers or yourself, I thought these were so adorable. So you can make, you know, whatever casseroles or macaroni and cheese, whatever, baked goods. I think they were so cute, and you could see the price was pretty good. And here's the matching ramekins, and you could put like sweet potato casserole to bake in them, little mini apple pies, little peach cobblers, whatever you want to do. I think would be so cute for presentation. And I want to get these for myself. I want to go back and get them. I hope they're still there. It's a good brand, and they were really good quality. Look, they're only $4 and change, and I think one of them is like let's see, we won't have to guess. The video will show us. $2.99. And this is supposed to be a dish rack, but I'm thinking you can use it and put your makeup palettes on them. You can stack them sideways. You can utilize it in other ways too for yourself. Cute little shopping bags to put your, well, not shopping bags, gift bags. I thought were adorable. And this, I like the kind of like a basket weave or linen type of feel. I end up getting them, and you can use them to put things that you want to have out of sight and not out of mind, but you know, you don't want everybody to see. And at $7.99, I thought it was so cute. They probably sell it a lot more, of course, elsewhere. So I got the small size, or it's like a medium size, and then the larger size. And you can put anything in there, notebooks, pens, you know, makeup, whatever you want to put in there. But I think they're going to be so cute with my theme colors at home. Theme colors. My color theme. And they were the last two, so. All right, time to get out of here. On to the next thing. And look, we're at Walmart. Look at it. They have a new scent for this Dr. Teal's. It smells pretty good, this Cozy Vanilla scent. And I believe it's just limited. So if you want to get it, you better get it while you can. And they seem to have some new products too, body lotions and body washes and things like that. So I'm going to go back and try the vanilla. Now this was from my haul at Ulta. I did a haul. I think they had a sale. I don't remember. So a lot of these things were really affordable, and affordability is relative. But I bought all these things for me. I'm my own Santa. So if you want to know how some of these things smell, let me know in the comments, and I can do a review on a few of these things. And that aromatherapy from Bath and Body Works smells so relaxing. So it smells like Santal, or I can't think of it, but it smells good. Yeah, kind of like that Sand and Stone. I forgot what scent they have, but I think that's a dupe for it. And of course, our old school MAC Lippies. And this 3-palette makeup palette I thought was a steal, so I grabbed that. And the colors seem to be friendly for all skin shades. And yes, it'll work on all of us. You see those colors? I can't wait to do a tutorial. And these I got for Cypress. Her birthday is this month. And these are a few things I got for her. That Love Notes by, is that Ariana Grande? If you want to know how it smells, let me know, and I will do a tutorial. All right, that's all for now. See you at the next vlog. And please don't forget to share, subscribe, and like. Love y'all. Bye.